Hey guys, let's exchange the broken OBC to this working one. Let's get to it. My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you want to see more E36 repair videos, hit subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Let's get into it. Here is a sneak peek of the final results. Before we get into it, how this achieved, let me know in the comments below what you guys prefer. Do you prefer this, the basic one? Do you prefer the 11 button version? Or do you prefer the full-blown, all the buttons everywhere, all the time version? Let me know in the comments below, I'm kind of curious what you guys running with. So let's get into the assembly one. Here you can see my current OBC. As you can see, there are pixel issues. No matter if I push this button, it doesn't do anything, so it's completely busted. I will exchange to this one. As you can see, it has 4 less buttons. Doesn't have these ones, but it does have the temperature, which I'm mainly interested in. I don't care about anything else. One side note: if you plan to upgrade to the full-on version, which is this one, this has all the buttons everywhere. This has one more connections, a white connections and the black connections. The black is on all 3 versions, while the white is only on this one. So if your car has this version or this version, you will have to buy or get from a breaker the white connector with the appropriate cabling, and you have to do your own splicing. Now, I don't care about these functions much. Code, limit, I don't know, I don't care. I just want to see the temperature, which this can also give me. So, to remove it, it's pretty easy. On the bottom, there is this plastic whatever, which is grabbing into the dash. And there is a cutout here, so just push it up and push towards the shifter. It should come out like this. There is one connector there. Disconnect it and throw this in the trash. Here's the new one. Same connector. Connect it like that. Push it in place. Before you push it all the way in, always a good idea to try it out. Yeah, and you can see currently I have 16 Celsius outside, which is awesome. I know down the temperature, so just push it in fully. That, and there you go. It's all done. Yay! If you wanna see more E36 repair videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Until then, here are some other repair videos for you to check out.